Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to do some lovely chickpeas in a nice tomato cumin sauce. Very, very easy. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, tasty, super easy to do. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Really quite simple. Here I've got 2 cans of chickpeas which I've washed in some nice cold water. If you want to use them from hard, make sure you get all the little stones out and then boil away. Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. There's like 3 medium-sized tomatoes there. 1 large onion cut nice and small. Little bit of coriander or cilantro. Some dried chili, optional. 2 teaspoons or 2 or 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds and the same cumin powder. Tomato puree, and we're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil and a bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. Very, very easy. Okay, so I've got a pan here, olive oil in there. You could use a different oil if you wanted. Let's get that dried chili in and the cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds let them do their thing in this oil. They'll infuse the oil a little bit, give a nice little flavour. And then next up we're going to add our onions. Now I'm not adding any garlic or ginger to this, but you could if you wanted. When the onions go in, you could be adding some chopped garlic and ginger. That's perfect. Here we go with our onions. As you can hear, we're on a fairly lively heat. 2 to 3 minutes. I'll see you then. And there we go, some lovely flavours here already. Simply, let's get in our chickpeas. Like I say, these are from a can, and if you're using from a can, always give them a nice wash in some cold water. Then we're going to add the cumin powder, and again 2 to 3 minutes. Let's keep this moving now. Incredible, lovely, lovely flavours here. Let's get some salt in the mix and some black pepper, nice generous amount of black pepper. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes, those fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato, a nice ripe tomato. What we're looking for now, we're going to stick the lid on and let this go for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want these tomatoes to break down and give off some sauce or moisture. If they don't, we'll be adding a touch of water. See you in 5. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Before I do that, I'm going to turn the heat to a simmer. And look at that, fantastic. Those tomatoes have broken down and given off this beautiful sauce here. If they didn't for you, that meant that you didn't use a very ripe tomato. You can just add some water to this. Now we're going to get in our tomato paste. We're going to give that a mix. And on this simmer, like I say, we're on a nice low heat now. We're going to let this go for another 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. And that looks fantastic now, doesn't it? That tomato puree is giving it a nice deeper red colour. Check that for salt. It's going to be good for me. Finally, fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a little mix in, and that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below for notifications. We will see you soon. Lots of love.